My name is Rebecca, and I will be teaching the meditation workshop in May, on May 7th, Saturday morning workshop. And the title of this workshop is Overcoming Anxiety. Now, we all know those anxious feelings. We know what anxiety is. We all have it from time to time. Sometimes we have a low level of it that's always just sneaking around, waiting for some trigger to send us off in a crazy direction. Some of us just have attacks of it, where it just pops up out of nowhere. And we know that anxiety is a very painful mind. And when we're under its influence, it eclipses anything good that's going on in our life. We cannot access our happy, content feelings. The people we love are just scenery at the edges of our life. It's all-encompassing. So most of us don't really know how to tackle anxiety. That's why these workshops are very popular. Because Buddha has so many wonderful, amazing teachings to share with us, and I will be sharing them with you, on how to learn to relax our mind, how to tackle anxiety at the source, not at the outer world. We cannot control anything in the external world. And when we fill our mind with worry and fear and angst, it doesn't help us, and we keep doing the same things over and over again. So in this workshop, we're going to learn some really practical, really fun meditations that we can use all the time. We can use before anxiety arises. You can use as needed, whenever. And these are so helpful because they really help us relax our mind and step back from the thoughts that are arising. We'll also learn what the mind is, what the true nature of our mind is, and that there is peace there, and that we can learn to access that peace. So we'll also be looking at some tried and true teachings that help us really gain a sense of empowerment and training our mind. Mind training is a very practical Buddhist teaching. It's a classic. We're all trying to do it here as Buddhists. That's why we meditate. And so I guarantee we're going to have a very interesting class, and there'll be plenty of time at the end for question and answer, because there always are questions in these kinds of classes, which is really good. Don't be afraid to ask questions. You'll help yourself and everyone around you. So I look forward to seeing you there. Take care.